Okay, coding time. Now, pull, yeah, connect the dots. Connect the dots. 7 to 8, and then to
Two.
number.
Two.
You can use the ruler. Where is your ruler? Hmm?
It's one.
This one.
I like this.
Number. Excuse me, your hand. 7 to number 8, and then you can use the ruler to number 2. Connect to number 2.
I like this.
Yeah, like that. Okay, and then what number?
4.
After number 2?
4.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Use the ruler.
Done.
Great job. Okay. Now, okay. And then next
3.
number.
3.
Okay.
1. 6. 9. Okay.
Okay.
3. 3, 2.
3 to number.
1.
Great.
Oh no, it's not 2.
Great job.
It's not 2.
Huh? No, it's right. It's 3 to number 1. Okay, and then after that,
1, 2,
number
6. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
And then 9.
And then number
9. Look, Mommy.
Great. Okay. Next.
5.
Yay.
6.
And then
4. Down 1.
okay. Now connect the dots.
5.
5.
6.
And
And then back to
then
back to 4.
okay, back to 4.
And then 1.
Oh
Yay.
yeah. Okay.
9.
9.
8. And then 7. And then 8. 8, Bobby.
8. Okay.
Oh no,
Oh, is it? No, it's not yellow. What color is that? It's number 3. Okay. Okay.
9.
You can use the ruler.
7.
Okay.
8.
And then 7 to
3. And then 2, 8. 9.
Nice.
Look at mine.
Good job, baby. Yay.